I work with customers every day, upgrading kitchens, remodeling homes, or replacing an appliance that finally gave up. And here's what I know. When it comes to dishwashers, Samsung's lineup has the perfect fit for your kitchen. Packed with smart features and serious cleaning power, they make dish duty easier, and maybe even a little fun. Let's start with the 4021 and the 4051. These models all across the lineup are ENERGY STAR certified, so they work hard while saving you power. And the third rack? Think first class for your spatulas, long utensils, and those reusable straws you keep forgetting to clean. Plus, the auto release door on the 4051 pops open at the end of the cycle like a polite butler, giving you up to 20% better drying performance without all that hot, steamy air blasting when you open it. Stepping up, the 5420, 5450, and 51 models introduce the smart stuff. Wi-Fi connectivity lets you start, stop, or delay cycles right from the SmartThings app on your phone. Perfect for when you're already cozy on the couch. And storm wash? Forget pre-rinsing. Powerful rotating jets blast away tough messes from every angle, even those casserole dishes, or hot dish, because hey, Best Buy is based in Minnesota. The 7070 levels up with Storm Wash Plus. 2 water blasters that basically say, I got this. Perfect for post-Thanksgiving cleanup when gravy turns into glue or frosting becomes cement. It's like a spa day for your dishes. And Smart Dry? Think of it as a tiny meteorologist inside your dishwasher, adjusting heat and airflow for the best dry without wasting energy. With the Samsung Bespoke F89. This is the one that has everything. We're talking all the bells and whistles, and probably a few features you didn't even know you needed. It's ultra quiet at 38 decibels. If your dishwasher sounds like a jet taking off, this is your upgrade. It's so quiet, you might think it's ghosting you. This adds a third rack wash system with a dedicated spot for your cutlery, utensils, and drinkware. The cool part? Wash jets with 6 spinning nozzles blast away stubborn residue, perfect for those in your house who leave glasses in random places. Premium design and performance. Clean dishes, quiet vibes, and zero hassle? Yes, please. So now that you've made it this far, check how clean your dishes actually are. And then stop in store, visit bestbuy.com, or download the app to find the right Samsung dishwasher for your kitchen.